Okay, so while you were gone, or I guess I was gone, we put this and that plate in our assembly. The last thing that we're missing is this last sloped piece. Now, if you remember from the Part Studio lessons, you don't want your Part Studio to have duplicate parts because that makes no sense. It's the same part. Only in the assembly do you represent duplicates of the same part. So let's do that now. I'm going to hit Insert. And before we pick the entire Part Studio, now we just want to pick one part from there. So I'm going to pick this sloped piece, and I'm just going to place it anywhere in space and hit the green check. This is now free to move, as you can see. What we want is to fasten it down just like we did everything else. So I'm going to put it on this corner, and I'm going to make sure we're picking the top surface of that plate, just like we did before. And now I'm going to pick the corresponding corner here. If you're having trouble, let me show you. You could also rotate this so that it's roughly in the right place, so you don't have to try to translate it in your own mind. So let's do that, just so you see how that could be done. And I'm going to zoom in and get that appropriate corner. And now this is in the right orientation, just about. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. It's close. And that's what the fasten tool does for us. And with mate connectors, it knows what we probably want. Now, if yours came in the wrong orientation, you can always hit this to reorient the way that that piece is going. And that's it. We are done. To turn this in, you're going to need to do a mask properties window. Don't worry, the material has already been set, so your mask will be showing appropriately if you did all the steps right. Good luck, and you're done with this one. And just to refresh, what you just learned in the first two videos was the Part Studio. That last longer video were the first few steps of assembly. What we just went over was creating a multiple of the same part in an assembly window. That's all. See you next time.